good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever city you're in. Wanted to get on here real quick. Got about 10 minutes that I can spend on here, maybe 8 on my way to work. I love doing videos in the morning. Want to get on here and tell you, give you some advice on looking for a great body shop. When you buy a car at a dealership, when you have a service department and a body shop hooked up together, you keep the business under the same roof. Well, if you go to a dealership, I call it an A lot, which is a dealership where there is a service department, a body shop, and they're all connected up under one roof. Meaning that the dealership's in the front, the service department in the middle, the body shop is in the back, but they're connected. Or it might not be all connected under one roof, but it's under the same franchise. Meaning that the body shop could be down the street, the service department could be down the street, but they're all under the same name or affiliates together, associated. Not affiliated, but together and under one automobile group or dealership name. Let me just say that, dealership name. So what I'm going to do today is give you reasons or to tell you why it's important to look for these things when it comes to body shop. It's not important at all to look at price so much. Price is important, but you gotta look at the breakdown of what you're getting when somebody's giving you an estimate. Price, we call an estimate on your vehicle. One, when you're looking for a body shop, you want to think about word of mouth. Did your neighbor, did your cousin, did your friend use a body shop? And when they got into an accident, did they use that body shop? Just send a group text out to your friends and find out, where did you get your car fixed? What happened when you got your car fixed or when you got in an accident? Word of mouth is strong. Word of mouth is the best thing since sliced bread, is because it's a warm referral. It's just like when you go buy a car. I love warm referrals. And the reason I do is because they already recommended it. They already said, okay, go see Regina to go in the car alone. She'll take care of you as far as getting into a new car or a pre-owned car. That's a warm referral. Deal's already closed. That person already more than likely is going to purchase or lease a car from me because they were recommended. And whoever referred me trusts me. So if someone refers you to a body shop, that's word of mouth. That's strong. The second thing is ask the right questions. Ask about warranty. Is there a 1-year warranty on my work that got done? Is there a warranty on the tires that blew out when I had an accident? What does my warranty entail? Can you give me a list of things that my warranty covers? Can you point it out? These are the questions that you should be asking the body shop. Your question is never a dumb question, because if you thought about it, somebody else thought about it. You have that right. You know why? It's because you are the customer. Number 3, follow your intuition. Follow your gut when it comes to finding the right body shop. If you don't feel right about something, don't do it. You know how when you meet someone, you judge, right? You judge within that first 30 seconds or 40 seconds, whether you like that person. The final thing I want to share is Google that body shop. Find out whether there are reviews on that body shop. How's the customer service? When you walked in the door to that particular body shop, were you greeted with a smile? Did you see the person's teeth? Well, we're in COVID now, so you're not going to see anybody's teeth. More than likely going to have their mask on unless they're in their own workspace. Now, because we are wearing masks, you can look at a person's eyes and know whether they're friendly. Customer service is very important. You should check out that particular body shop. This is a bonus. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to give you 2 more bonuses. Get an estimate when you go to that body shop. Don't get word of mouth and let them tell you, okay, well, it's going to cost blah, blah, blah to get it fixed. Get an estimate in writing. Put in detail what they're going to be doing to your vehicle, just not to write it up what they say. Find out exactly what they're going to fixing on your vehicle, and then let them put in writing your warranty, what they're going to do. And the reason I say this is because some body shops, because of Corona, and things are tough now when it comes to body shops. They're really tough. And you have a lot of body shops out there that are just writing estimates, fixing people's cars, and they're not the real deal. They're so worried about making that dollar that, you know, it's important for businesses to make money and it's important to make the dollar, but you just want to make sure they're performing the work that they said they're going to do. So cheap, it's not always the best way. That body shop down the street may be more money, but that might be your best solution. Yes, our prices when it comes to a body shop is going to be a little bit higher than the mom and pop's body shop. And the reason why is because we stand behind our work and we use the better paint. We have some of the best body shop workers in the country at Joe Longhammer Chevrolet. We got some of the best. So we stand behind our product and we don't cut corners. I hope this helps. I hope that you share this video. Hope that you like this video, because again, every time I spit knives when I get on here, I'm sharing information that's going to help you buying a car, leasing a car, or with credit. Always sharing great information. All right, guys, have a great day. I got to go in here and shovel some snow. I have my blue jeans on today, and my sweater, and 2 pair of socks, long johns on, got my gloves, because at the dealerships, you know, we have to move the cars and we have to get the dealership ready for customers. That's what we do. Yes, we have porters, but we have to work as a team to get everything right at the dealership outside. Get the cars lined up and get the snow off the cars. All right, guys, have a great day.